Hi everybody, welcome back to another quick tip to help you with your wedding planning and some wedding tips and advice. My name is Sirrell. I've been a magician and entertainer for over 25 years, and this channel just helps me share some tips and information that I've gained with my knowledge over that time trading in the wedding and event industry. So today I'm going to talk a little bit about entertainment. So many times when I meet couples at wedding fairs and in their planning process, I will mention if they've actually thought about their entertainment, and quite often they'll say something like, yeah, they've got their DJ or they've got a chocolate fountain or something like that. And to me, sometimes that sounds like actually they haven't actually thought about how they're going to entertain all their guests during the day. I think there's a reason for this. Sometimes I think it's because planning and ideas and focus can all be about the making everything look lovely and making the room look lovely, the dress and everything like that. And that is absolutely fine, but you have to remember that during the day you've got friends there that have given up their time, and the best way of saying thank you is to keep them entertained in some way or the other. And there's various different values of entertainment and how entertainment helps enhance the day. So for example, if you've got a mingling entertainer to help during the drinks reception, it's a great way of just helping people relax and break the ice. That is my job during the day as a magician, working around the groups and just chatting and just helping people relax, so that when they go through to the wedding breakfast, they've started to get to know each other, they've got something to talk about, and it just creates a lovely atmosphere through the day. So that is something that people don't actually sometimes think about. They just think, oh, entertainment is about the DJ and the evening. And of course, yeah, it's great having disco. It's probably what people expect, or a DJ or band or something like that. But also there's other options there. There's other options that can just help break the ice, interactive things. So for example, you might want like interactive games or a PlayStation corner, or maybe even scale electrics or casino tables, stuff like that. There is loads and loads of different ideas. In fact, I've listed 7 great ideas for wedding entertainment in another video that I did, and I'll link that just up there. Yeah, generally my advice is try not to forget about the entertainment and how you're going to keep people entertained during the day, because it's something that generally gets overlooked. And I think there's a survey a little while back with Brides magazine that something ridiculous like 90% of brides before their wedding day they didn't think about entertainment, and then after their wedding day equally high proportion actually wished they'd concentrated on entertainment. So yeah, always think about that and think about how you're going to actually actively keep people entertained during the day, because it's so important. So thanks for watching. There's another quick tip. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll have another tip out tomorrow. Please like this video if you liked it. Please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.